ladies and gentlemen, this is Ray Real Awesome Window Cleaning, and I am in the backyard, and I'm still making some more videos, and this is about the business. So I've got this window cleaning business. It's called Awesome Window Cleaning Business, and my name is Ray Real, and I've been cleaning windows for over 40 years here in Sacramento, and last few years I've been just doing mostly marketing and referring my jobs to my buddy Nam, who has his own window cleaning business. And I'm still working on search engine optimization, putting up videos, educational videos on YouTube, so I can increase my SEO, search engine optimization, for my Google business profile, which got taken down, but then I got it put back up, but I just haven't been getting as many calls for some reason or other. So I'm working on making more educational videos to put on YouTube, because Google owns YouTube. So we'll see how that works. And so it's all experimental. Marketing is all experimental. So you give it your best shot. And I mean, a lot of people, they do all kinds of experiment, you know. I studied a lot of that, marketing techniques and so on, but I'm still pretty basic, you know. I've been a window washer, mostly working for years, so I'm still on the learning curve when it comes to technology and all this kind of stuff. So I'm pretty old school, being 77, I'm still pretty old school. And they still haven't got enough robots to clean everybody's windows and roof gutters yet. So, you know, there's still a chance of, you know, you can still make a few bucks if you go learn how to clean windows and get up on a ladder and clean roof gutters. And, you know, maybe marketing, so we'll see how that goes. And there's still people that have houses, and they want to make their houses look presentable. And, you know, just for the actually it saves you money. Window cleaning is a luxury that saves you money, because your best prevention against hard water spotting is a regular maintenance, maybe twice a year on the outside, cleaning the windows. Because I studied all this stuff where you know, water spot damage, if it's left on there, it becomes, you can't take it off with just washing, you know. I mean, if you catch it early, it's easy to take off, but if you leave it on, it builds up. And, you know, and if I could tell you all the people that called me desperate saying, can you help me with this, all this hard water spotting? Can you take off hard water spotting? You know, because they didn't maintain their windows. And, so preventive maintenance, just like changing the oil in your car, you know. I mean, if you don't change your oil for, you know, a couple of years and your engine burns up, and you go to the mechanic and say, oh, what happened? Well, you didn't change your oil, dude. You know, you should do it on a regular basis. Same with your windows. You should get them cleaned on a regular basis. Prevention, you know, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So just saying, you know, that's where I come in, saving people money. And I'm just trying to make a living, you know, basically. You know, I'm not living in a luxury mansion. I don't go on vacation, and I don't drive a luxury car. I'm just squeaking by. So, you know, so don't look at me. I'm not, you know, trying to gouge people. I'm just trying to get by. And so give me a break. And anyway, so much for you know, the prices and everything. And you know, for lunch or McDonald's, or if you got to eat. And window cleaning and roof gutter cleaning is hard work. It's muscular work. You got to eat. You burn a lot of calories climbing ladders and, you know, hustling. You got to really work hard and fast if you want to make any money cleaning windows. So, you know, you burn a lot of calories doing that. And, you know, and the price of fast food for lunch, or if you got to bring your own, maybe that's the better way to go. But still, you know, there's gas prices, and there's insurance, and And even this is the real bugger is the workers' comp, where they just gouge the daylights out of you for workers' comp, and so when I had employees, it was just, I had to stop hiring employees and just doing all this, everything myself, which kind of wore me out. And that's why I'm 77 and I'm just worn out, I just do marketing now. It's just too much work, so anyway, over and out. Peace. Bye.